Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're making an unboxing video of 1,000 fidget toys that we got. Are you ready to open the box? No, go like this. Who does that? Me? Your dad? Okay, watch this. Hand. Okay, here it is. Look at this. Oh, fidget toys. Are you ready? Oh my god. Oh, there's even stickers also. Oh. So, what do you want to start with? Hold on. Not yet. Stop getting everything. You got tiny. First, hold on, Alex. Stop. So, hold on. Put it back. Okay, so first we have these things where like you could just hold them and they're like super fun. And no, let me do. Oh my gosh, look at what we have. No, oh, these things. Look at these, it's so cute. It's a panda. Guys, look, we got mini, like whatever these are on. They're pop tubes. Oh, look, we got a Rubik's Cube. Look at this Slinky.
I never got it.
What?
No.
Anyways, Alex, we got this. Oh yeah, these are kind of fidget toys, right? These are one of them. But let's try one of the pop tubes. Look, we got a go-kart. Wait, Alex, let's do a sword battle. I'll use red. Oh, you can use blue. Anyways, are you ready? Wait, what do we do? A sword battle. Come on, Alex. The dog. 3, 2, 1. Ow, I quit. Oh, yeah, he quit. Actually, I'm putting him back. Are you okay? I'm sorry of that. Hey, look, we got this go-kart. I'm gonna open it. Whoa! Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that. That's crazy. Okay. And let me put this. And to watch this. And to watch this. And to watch. These are so fun. Oh my gosh, you just didn't put them out. Okay. There were a lot of these, so basically 1,000. So hey guys, if we get to 10 million likes, I'll slide on my legs. So we're just gonna So we're just gonna pause and open a few and then show you them. What? So bye. So we came back with the video. We got these maze heart things with balls, 2 of them, and they're so cute. Why is there beads? There's tops also. Oh, look at these. They're penguins. Actually, are you gonna help me unbox or not? Skateboard. Another skateboard. Oh, what do these do? I think you go like this. I don't know. And these are just some dinosaur toys. We have some of these Guys, we got 2 go-karts. Saw these on YouTube. There's actually no way. There's no way. They're so fun. There's actually no way. Look at it. Is there no way? And there's also these ones too. There's a unicorn one. Guys, I found a camera. And there's another unicorn one. But it's yellow. What? And we have this thing. You can wrap it around you. I forgot what these are called.
Oh my gosh, this is so cool.
Oh yeah, and we also have this one too. You can like put you put your eye into it. And then you click this button right here.
And then you look at this, you got it.
Yeah.
Look what's here. Look. Angel, no, but look what you.
So there's more of the maze things.
Angel, but look at this. Look, a soccer ball.
Oh yeah.
This fidget spinner.
So we have to put on these glasses. Ax, find the
Other ones. I got green. Ha.
God. I'm gonna be doing this for the rest of the video.
I don't want the heart ones. Give me that.
Fine. Whatever.
They're too big.
Then
Yeah, they're way too big. Guys, look at these whistles.
I'll show you all the poppets.
No, guys. No, actually, look at all these whistles.
Are these all poppets? Okay, I think these are all poppets. So first, we have this dinosaur poppet. And they're so cute because they're mini poppets. They're hard to pop, but they're still fun. Then we have this giraffe one that's so cute. Oh, another dinosaur. And it's super cute. What are these three horns? Is that a triceratops? Oh my gosh, there's a cute puppy. Look at it, it's so cute. And there's also a lion. And those are all.
Dad!
Okay, I'm closing this.
I'm so I tried solving this one too. I feel this. It's so hard to solve. I can't even move it.
We'll try this one. Oh, look at how much of these mini puppets we have. Are these keychains? Let me open them. I'll pause it. Okay.
And get that.
So there's this heart puppet that's so cute. Red, white, and red, pink, yellow, and blue. Then we have this circle one with some yellow on top and a green on the bottom. This one is so cute. It's a cat it's like a puppet cat. And we also have this bunny. It's so cute.
Who asked?
For your life. And then there's this other heart one, purple, yellow, and pink. It's so cute. I've never seen this one. Look at it. It's a triceratops. And there's this bat
Guys.
also.
Comment, like if you think Angel's nicer, or subscribe if you think I'm nicer.
I'm definitely nicer.
I'm nice.
Okay.
I'm so nice.
So there's this blue thing. Is this Earth? Yeah, this is my Earth puppet. And then here is another puppet, and combined with this too, the red, yellow, and blue puppet.
What is that?
Let me just put this back into the.
Whoa, Angel, look, Angel.
Oh, and there's this Slinky. That's super fun.
I think I'm gonna this.
Let's see what.
Hey guys, I found a cool.
Oh, look at these. These are Alex, you're moving the camera. These are some bracelets that you have
Get
to,
out,
like,
get out. I'm
get
trying.
off.
Guys, look, it's a soccer ball. Why would it be a soccer ball? But look at this. Just fidget spinner.
Ali? Oh. Okay. I guess this
I
one's
know,
broke. No, it's.
Anyways, I'm so bad at something.
And we also have 2 of these bracelets that you put on your arm. And these are not the one from my other video. These are new. Oh no. Okay. So there's these. I don't know what they are. They just look super fun. What do they do? Puzzle pieces.
Like,
maybe
can you actually get out? Because like you're not letting me show them anything.
Because you aren't. You're just playing with the toys.
No, I'm not.
Okay, so these are tops. You just spin them around. There's a whole million of them. And don't forget here, guys, there's a million, I mean, 1,000 fidget toys. Why would there be a million? That's 100 times combined how much there is here. So we have this thing. Also, that you can just, it's a hand thing. I could slap it. See if I could slap it at you. No, I'm getting tired.
I'm gonna break it off.
Okay, anyways, we have this thing also. Oh. I think what these things do, you put them on the wall. Oh, look at its body stretches. So you put them on the wall.
Where'd it go? What? No.
So it's super fun. And there's also these squishies. Oh, look, it's a dog squishy.
Look, I'm breaking I broke the butterfly off. I don't the butterfly.
What butterfly?
It was on it.
Why?
Because I don't. Because it's my
Okay, then there's a squirrel here. It's so cute. They're dating.
Hey guys, look! I got a ring. I don't know why. It just gave me a ring.
Oh, and look, there's also a teddy bear one. That you can put on the wall. They're so fun. Don't worry, guys, there's a lot more.
There's like a billion.
It's already been 13 minutes since you guys started this video. So then we have this whistle.
Where do you find that? Where do you find that? I got a blue one. You're not good.
So look, there's so many. There's just so
Wait, do you want a motorcycle one?
Let's show you.
Do you know how to use it? And watch. Watch. This is what it is.
Anyway, moving on. Oh, Alex. You put these things inside.
Wait, guys, look. Look. You put this on your finger, and then it's like a teddy bear. Look.
So look, these things just go together like this. You can just keep connecting them until you run out of them. Anyways.
No, I'm just gonna dump all of this in there.
No, hold on.
Please.
Okay. No, hold
Yeah.
on. We're unboxing them. Okay.
Creepy little skeletons.
Okay, here's this. Then we're moving on to the tops.
Oh my god.
They're all black, so that's what I don't like about them. You just spin them. Didn't really work, but they're still fun.
And I gotta get. At least let me open these.
When at the end, we're gonna be breaking or throwing out one of the fidget toys. Actually, no.
I'm throwing out you.
No. Then we have.
And
these
I'm gonna
ice-
dump all of this in the bag.
No.
Yes.
No.
Why do you do that, huh?
Because I already showed them. Okay, so we have these eye things. Where does our other eye go?
One blue one.
No. I lost the eye.
It's right there.
Actually?
I took it.
No, actually, give me.
Which color?
This, Alex.
It's right on your hand.
No, it isn't. I'm gonna pause this for